Hello there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Check out the most beautiful stainless steel wine glasses I've ever seen. These are perfect for our family because we now can safely take our drinks, keep them cold, right to the hot tub. Especially two big things. For us, it's that they keep the drinks super cold and that they don't spill. I love that this stainless steel, because it's that brushed finish, they wash up like a dream. But not only that, they do not dry with water spots. Yep, that's right. You've heard it. They air dry and there is not a water spot to be found. That's almost unheard of. I love the fact that I can pour in whatever drink. It keeps the ice cold for long. They don't tip over. They're not flimsy. I love that. I like that if it gets knocked a little, especially being outside, if it gets knocked a little, it's not tipping over. I love these double wall insulated stainless steel wine glasses from FineDine. I know that you're gonna love them too, almost as much as me. And that's my point of view.